Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we set up our workflow to generate long-form videos. We used GPT-4 to create a long story, then passed it to the Generate Video node. That node looped a background video, added captions, and produced a final video saved right inside the VPS. Where do background videos come from? Now you may be asking, where do we actually get these background videos? Basically, we can download free clips from sites like Pexels or Vecteezy, but these only offer limited free videos. When you scale up, you'll quickly run into limits or need to pay for more content. So what's the solution if we want unlimited background videos for our generation? Let's find out by monitoring our completed workflow. The goal is to generate a final video, ready for YouTube, with just one click. First, let's review the workflow structure. We already have the functionality from the Revenge Realm workflow. We use an LLM to generate video metadata, title, description, tags, and even thumbnail text. All of this is output in a JSON structure with the fields we need. Now for the interesting part, creating unlimited background videos. We'll start with a text-to-image node. This node generates any image, in any niche, any category we want. You can use any text-to-image service, or our 02 Launch API, unlimited and free for premium members. Inside the request body, we'll set the size to landscape. Then we input a prompt to generate the scene we want. You can even use ChatGPT to create prompts easily. The API will then return an image URL. Next, we pass that image into a GenShort node. This uses the Image-to-Video API with WAN model, hosted on 02 Launch hardware. That means members can generate unlimited videos from images. In the body of the request, we input the generated image URL. We also add a short animation prompt. Again, ChatGPT can help here. We'll set the aspect ratio to landscape, so the output fits as a background video. The API will return a task ID for us to track progress. As usual, we add a check video status node. This node loops until the API returns a status of success. If the video is done, we exit the loop and move to the next step. Now comes the Generate Long Story node. This time, we don't type a static prompt. Instead, we connect it to the title and description from the LLM node. This keeps the story perfectly consistent with the video metadata. Next, we send everything into the Generate Video node. Instead of a static background, we now pass the generated video URL. We also set the resolution, 1080p for best results, or 720p if you want smaller file sizes. The background video is generated. Let's check it out. Awesome! Now we can create unlimited creative backgrounds without worrying about video sources or paying fees. The Generate Video node returns a task ID. We pass that into another check status node, which loops until the story video is complete. Since long stories take time, this process can run in the background. Once it's finished, the API returns the final video URL. We pass this to a download video node. Because it's rendered in 1080p, the file is large, but the quality is excellent. Let's download it and play it.
The moment he steps into the inner sanctum, the air tastes like ash and copper, and the throne room seems to float on a breath of wind that doesn't belong to this world, a memory made solid in glass and shadow. Kale stands.
Looks awesome, right? Now let's upload it straight to YouTube. We add a YouTube upload node, connect our account, and pass in the title, description, and tags. We can set visibility to public, unlisted, or private. This node returns a video ID, which we'll use to update the thumbnail. To make a custom thumbnail, we follow the same steps as in the Revenge Realm workflow. First, use a text-to-image node to generate a subject image, like a woman image. Then use the Generate Thumbnail API to combine top text, bottom text, and the subject image. The output is a polished thumbnail ready for YouTube. Finally, we call the YouTube Update Thumbnail node. We pass in the uploaded video ID and the thumbnail image. This updates the uploaded video with a professional custom thumbnail. This setup needs a bit of configuration, the same as in the Revenge Realm workflow, so feel free to check that video out again if you need a refresher. Now let's check our YouTube channel. We can see the new video, complete with title, description, SEO-friendly tags. It looks professional and ready to engage viewers.
The moment he steps into the inner sanctum, the air tastes like ash and copper, and the throne.
Awesome, right? To post daily or even hourly, we use a schedule node in n8n. Here we can set the workflow to run automatically at any interval we want. Finally, connect the schedule node to the workflow, and we're done. Before ending, let's handle VPS storage. By default, all final videos are saved under the videos folder inside longform. Over time, this folder grows and can fill your server storage. To fix this, we'll create a cleanup script in the root folder, called delete old longform video. This script finds all files older than 7 days in the videos folder, and deletes them. You can adjust the time, 1 day, 30 days, whatever fits your needs. To save the file, press Ctrl X followed by Y, then enter. Then we adds the execute permission to the file. We don't want to run this manually, so we'll schedule it with cron. Cron jobs are a powerful tool for automating repetitive system tasks. To set it up, open the cron editor with nano. Add a line to run the script every day at 3 a.m. This ensures your VPS cleans up old videos automatically. And if you ever want to disable it, you can simply comment out the line. And that's it. We now have a workflow that generates unlimited creative background videos, builds long stories with matching metadata, uploads them to YouTube, and keeps our VPS clean automatically. This is a powerful, fully automated content creation system. Pretty awesome, right? So if you're looking to level up your automation and AI skill set, join us inside the 02 Launch Premium community.